Welcome to my second video on this April 5th of 2023 here in Constance Bay, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. So these are just a couple of shots of what it looks like to look out our windows right now. You can see they're totally covered in ice. Here's a view out our front window, and you can see all the trees that are covered in ice from this freezing rain event that we're having today. Looking out the basement window, you can see a big branch that fell out of this pine tree right onto the pool cover. It's about 2 to 3 hours later than my first video, and the video about a windstorm has changed from just a windstorm to basically a combination of a windstorm and freezing rain storm. So we're getting hit by both right now. The previous view was from inside the house. Now we'll head outside and take a look at what it's like outside. Here you can see we've got some big trees, and they're just coated in ice right now, as are my guy wires holding my boxes. You can see our Canadian flag is virtually destroyed, and there's probably about a centimeter of ice, or approximately half an inch of ice on the patio here. You can see how thick the ice is on the guy wire, how the branches of the trees are all drooping. And there's another massive line, and that's what the house is looking like right now. Our railing is coated, our glass railing is coated in ice. Everything is coated in ice right now. So with the combination of the ice and the way the branches are drooping on the big pines, a lot of them are starting to drop branches all over. You can see the ice on the deciduous trees over there as well. So this big pine, I don't know if you can see, it's hard to see, but it's lost about 10 branches so far. So I'll just pan around here, and you can see the ice build up on my shed, and on the boxes for my palm trees. Trees that I look in the neighborhood, and of course, again. So this is poor big old tree in my neighbor's yard. It's the wind is from the east. So far. Oh, and there's another one there just coming down. So here's a view from outside the yard, down on the beach. You can see how my maple is faring. This is my maple on the beach. The branches are all drooping. There's a view from down onto the beach. You can see all the way down the beach. So everything's covered in ice. So the neighbor is having a few trees. Nothing serious. Anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully I'll have another video for you tomorrow when I open up a couple of the palm boxes. Anyways, thanks for watching.